Okay, welcome to New Tech Programming. This is my first video on HTML playlists. So at first you will need to make an HTML file. In this video, I briefly show you how to make an HTML file. I recommend you to watch that part of the video. Link in the description. But in this video, I also show that. First, click on the new file and name it index.html. You can give it any name you want, but remember to give it the .html extension. Mainly HTML works in tags. Just write less than sign and greater than sign. In the middle of two signs, you have to give the tag name. Here is your tag is ready, but you have to give an end tag. Just give a slash between two signs. With these start tag and end tags, it's an HTML element. Before the start, if you are using VS Code, I suggest you to install the Live Server extension. The Live Server extension in VS Code is a handy tool for web developers. It sets up a local development server that automatically refreshes your web browser whenever you save changes to your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript files. All HTML documents must start with a doctype declaration. The declaration is not an HTML tag. It is an information to the browser about what document type to expect. First, give a less than sign, exclamatory sign, and type doctype in whole uppercase. Now type HTML in lowercase and end with greater than sign. Okay, so this is the type declaration of HTML5. There are some different type declaration for older HTML versions, but we're using the latest. HTML tag. The tag represents the root of an HTML document. The tag is the container for all other HTML elements. Note, you should always include the lang attribute inside the tag to declare the language of the web page. This is meant to assist search engines and browsers. Head and body tag. You must type head and body tags in the HTML tag. In HTML, these are the fundamental elements that structure the content of a web page. Head tag the section contains meta information about the HTML document, which is not displayed directly on the page itself. It's like the behind-the-scenes information about the web page. In this video, I only use the title tag. There are also meta and link tag, but talk about them later. The title element defines the title of the document. The title must be text only, and it is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. Next, the body tag section includes all content visible to users in the browser window, where the actual content of your web page should be placed. The body tag includes all the child elements for the visible content of a web page, such as paragraph tag, anchor tag, deviation tag, and many more. So, mainly the head and body tag are called the parent element, and we have learned so far the doctype tag, HTML tag, head tag, body tag, and title tag. Okay, that is for today's video. I will soon upload the next video. Thanks for watching.